Assalamu alaikum class. I hope all of you are fine. So today, as you know, our topic is ratio and proportion. So we already discussed all these things. Okay, so uh, today our topic name is simplifying ratio. Here are the keyword that we will use, and these are the definitions of ratio and proportion. As we already discussed these things, so let me tell you the basics. What is ratio? How many here he mentioned here how many red beads we have and how many yellow beads we have. First of all, red beads we have two, so I just mentioned here two, and then yellow beads we have six, so I just mentioned here. Okay, so later on we need to find the highest common factor, highest HCF. Okay, why HCF? Yeah, we just need to find HCF. Once we find it, okay, so we take that number and divide with that number. Let's suppose 2. What is the highest common factor of this? So I write here 1 and 2, as you know. And 6, what is the HCF of 6? 1, 2, 3, and 6. So which thing is common? Common is 1 and 2. But which one is highest? That is only 2. So we divide with 2 on both sides. So once we divide this, 2 divided by 2, that is equal to 1. And 6 divided by 2, that is equal to 3. So that is our 1:3, that is in the simplest form. So same like that, we just need to solve the other question. Like here, question number one. It's too simple. What we need to do here, let's suppose the first question is how many, he said red beads and yellow beads. First is red, I write here red how many we have, and yellow how many we have. So red is 1 and yellow is 4, so I write here 1:4. That is our answer of question number 1. Same like that, question number 2 part D. Okay, so we have, he said here, he mentioned green beads and yellow blue beads. So first I write here green, and then I write here blue. Okay, now uh, green beads, how many green beads we have? One, two, three, four. Four is here. And how many blue beads we have? Four. Okay, one, two, three, four. Okay, so both are 4 and 4. So what is highest common factor? Obviously both are same, so highest common factor is 4. So 4 divided by 4 here, and 4 divided by 4 here. So answer is 1:1. Same as it is, we need to solve this part. So here I mentioned here 4 and 12. So what is highest common factor? Obviously its highest common factor is 4, because we already solved this in the class. So 4 and 4 divided by 4 equal to 1, and 12 divided by 4, that is equal to 3. So my answer is 1:3. Now, here we have a new question. This is little bit different than the other question, 24 and 9. So for this, we must find highest common factor, like 24 here and 9 here. So we know what is the highest common factor for these. So we just divide with 3 on both sides. Okay, 3 on both sides, because we already find in the class. So 9 divided by 3 equal to 3. Here is ratio sign, and 24 divided by 3, that is equal to 8. So my answer is 8:3. That is the simplest form. Let's move on. Okay, here we have a new questions. These are the answers of all these questions. Now let's talk about Helena. See this recipe for the pastry. So here she mentioned here the margarine to flour. Margarine to flour, how I write here? Margarine is 50 and flour is 200. So once we simplify it, we are using 50 on both sides. Okay, so I will get my answer. What is my answer? Here is 1:4. Okay, 1:4. He say Helen is correct. Okay, no, she is not correct. Why? Because the ratio of margin is 1:4, not 4:1. Here he mentioned 4:1, so that's why she was wrong. Now same as it is, Byron is drawing a scale diagrams for the building. For every 10 meters of the building, he draw a lines of 5 centimeters long. So Byron think he is using a ratio 2:1. Ellen think Byron is using a 200:1. Is either of them is correct? Explain your answer. Okay, first of all, here he mentioned 10 meters. So 10 meters means how many centimeter? Obviously 10 meters means 1000 centimeter. So first you convert this into centimeter, because here we have 5 centimeter. Okay, so what we need to do here, 1000, so I divide this on both side 5. Okay, so what number I get here? 5 here and 5 here. So my answer is 5 multiplied by 2, 10. So here is 200 and here is 1. So this is right. Okay, this equation is right. So either both of them right? Yes, both of them right. 10 meter is same as 1000. So the scale of 1000 by 5 is equal to 200 by 1. So ln is correct. So both are correct. Okay. So I hope you understand. Thank you. Take care. Goodbye.